Hi and welcome back to another Thrive Themes tutorial. In this one, I want to show you a few ideas on how you can use the lesson list and the course list elements that are available in our Thrive Architect editor. So as any other element, you can add it anywhere on a post or page where you would like, and you can even add the elements to templates if you're using Thrive Theme Builder or Thrive Apprentice. But in the case of the lesson and course list elements, I wanted to come here and give you an idea on where and how you can add them to your website. So let's get started with the lesson list element. First of all, this is the element that if you add it on a post page or template, will show you a list of all the lessons available in one of your courses. Of course, you will have to choose the course for which the lessons will be displayed. The first idea here would be to add the element onto your course sales page. So let's say you have a newly created and published course and you want to create a sales page for it where people can sign up and maybe get early access or simply purchase it from there and then they get access to the course. If you want to offer the potential students the possibility to see which lessons are included in that course, you can simply do that by using the lesson list element. So we're gonna see how to do that right now. First of all, I'm gonna access my WordPress admin panel and I'm gonna go to my pages section. And then I will scroll down to my course sales page, which is going to be this one. So I have previously created this page where I want to let people sign up and get early access or purchase my course, it doesn't matter. The idea is that I have created this page and I'm going to open it with Thrive Architect. Once the page has loaded, you can see here that I have added a text, and this element I've started from a pre-built landing page to create this page, and that I also have this lead generation element here where people will have to sign up. Because this is a promo page for my course, I want to give the students or the visitors of my website the possibility to see what's gonna be included in that course. For that, I'm going to click on the plus sign from here and look for the lesson list element. Once you find the element, you can simply grab it and drag and drop it onto the editor like so. As I said before, this will have you select the course for which you want to display the lessons, and I will choose this one. As simple as that, I now have a list of all the available lessons from my course. In the left sidebar, this section will open with various options that you can use, and if you need guidance on how to do that, please check out our article about how to use the lesson list element, as we've gone through every option here. Now I'm going to also go ahead and drag and drop a text element here just to let people know what's going on in this section. And of course I'm gonna edit this section. Let's make it bold so that it stands out, and I'm done. Now, because this course is a pretty complex one, and as you can see, it will take up a lot of my page, I'm going to select it and choose that the default state of this element is collapsed. So now people will see my two modules here, but they will have to expand the sections if they want to see more. And this way, the lesson list element will be compact here, and then once the visitors will see what they get in this course, they can decide if they want to sign up or not. After adding this section, I have also customized this part a little bit, so now I can save everything, and let's go ahead and preview the page. So as you can see, as a visitor, I will have some information here, and then if I scroll down this page, I have this text that says what do you get when purchasing this course, and I can browse through the lessons and chapters, as you can see here, to see exactly which lessons are going to be included in the course, and then if I'm interested, I can go ahead and sign up to purchase it. Now this is one way in which you can include this lesson list element into your site. Another thing I want to show you, another place in which you can add this lesson list element and make a great use out of it, is into one of your templates. As you know, with the new Thrive Apprentice visual editing process, you can create templates for different types of content of your online school. So if you have multiple courses into your school, then you can create course templates, lesson templates, and apply those templates to your content. If we're talking about a lesson template, you can include a lesson list element in the sidebar of it, for example. And in this way, whenever someone takes a lesson of a course, they can have a sidebar in which they will see the other lessons as well. And I'm going to show you how to achieve that right now. So I'm back in my WordPress admin panel. I'm going to go hover over Thrive dashboard and open my Thrive Apprentice dashboard from here. My list of courses will open here, but we're interested in editing the design of our templates, and for that I'm going to go to the design section of Thrive Apprentice, and here is where you will see all of your active and inactive or unpublished designs. If you need help or more information on how to use the design section of Thrive Apprentice, I'm going to leave a few articles and tutorials linked here, but for now I'm going to go ahead and edit my active design and go to the template editor card and click on Manage Templates. This is where I will be able to see all of my core templates, so the templates that are set as default on my Thrive Apprentice design. Now, because I want to showcase a list of lessons, it only makes sense that I am going to do that on a lesson template. So for example, I'm going to add the lesson list element to the sidebar of my default lesson template. For that, I will hover over it here and click on Edit. And this will open the Thrive Apprentice template editor. So as you can see here, we have opened the editor, and this is where you will be able to see what your lesson template looks like. So now here you will be able to preview the content of each lesson and see what it will look like with this template applied to it. Now, as I said, the end goal that I want to achieve is that whenever someone takes a lesson of my course, they will have this navigation sidebar on the left side of the template where they will be able to see the lessons of this course at all times. For that, all you have to do is add the lesson list element to the sidebar. What's important to remember here is that whenever you want to add an element to the sidebar of a template, you will first have to click on it or select it from here from the section options. And after you click on it, you will have the option to edit it or unlink it. When you edit a sidebar, this means that you will globally edit the sidebar, and any modification you bring here will affect all of the other templates where the same sidebar has been applied. If you choose to unlink the sidebar, then you will only modify the sidebar for this current template that you're editing. In our case, the default lesson template. I'm going to go ahead and click on Edit, as I want the lesson list element to appear on every template where I have used this sidebar. Once you click on Edit, you will be able to modify everything inside the actual sidebar, and I'm going to click on the plus sign from the right sidebar, look for the lesson list element, and simply grab it and drag and drop it here in the sidebar. The lesson list element will auto-detect the current course, but of course you can manually choose the course in case you want to showcase a list of lessons from another course. Now, once you do this, you can also change the design if you want. So for example, we can modify the spacing here, so you can really customize this element as you wish. And when you're done, simply click on this orange Done button. When you're done editing the sidebar section, you can click again on this Done button to exit the edit mode of the sidebar section. And once everything has been set, you can simply save from here. Now, if we go ahead and preview this template, we will see that when navigating through this lesson, I will also have the list of lessons here. And of course, clicking on one of the lessons will take me to that respective course. So this is a really cool way in which you can integrate the lesson list element into your site by adding it to one of your Thrive Apprentice templates. Now, these were ideas on how you can use the lesson list element, but I can also show you a way in which you can use the course list element, which is fairly similar to the first idea that I've showed you, except that the course list element will of course showcase a list of your courses. So for this reason, it would make sense to add the course list element to a sales page in which you want to promote your online school. So for example, let's say you want to launch an online school, the topic being photography, just like in my case, then you can create a page in which you will be able to showcase all of the courses that you have created. I'm going to go ahead and access my pages section again. And here I'm going to scroll down until I get to my online school launch page, which is again a page that I have created prior to starting this tutorial, and I'm going to edit it with Thrive Architect. The page has opened in the Thrive Architect editor, and Similar to the first page, this is going to be the page where I let people know when my online school is going to launch. And I also have a button here which will let people get access to my online school. And after that, I have also added this text element in which I said, still not sure what you get when signing up. Here are the courses that are currently available in our school. Now I have added this text element in preparation to showing you that you can also add the course list element, which will showcase the courses that are available, so published, from your Thrive Apprentice dashboard. To add the course list element, I will simply click on this plus sign here, look for the course list element, and when I find it, I'm going to grab it and drag and drop it here. Right away, a pop-up will open and you will be able to choose a template for your element. And I'm going to go for this one. And as you can see here, both of my published courses are going to show here. Again, for the course list element, we have created a separate article that you can check out if you need help using all of these options, but you can really customize the element as you wish. And when you're done, you can click on Save Work here. If we preview the page, we're going to see that the sales page here looks something like this. So I will let people know what's happening. So our online school is going to launch soon. And then if they scroll down, they will also be able to see what they get when they sign up to enroll in this school. Now, this is one of the ways in which you can use the course list element. Of course, you can find various other ways to do so. These were just some examples to help you get started and use the elements to their full potential. I really hope this tutorial was helpful, and as always, be sure to check out all of the other articles and tutorials from our knowledge base.